Hey guys, my name is Tim Coates, and I am the Product Development Manager here at Ethos Car Care. And I wanted to create this video series for you guys because I received a lot of questions lately via email, instant message, and all of our types of social media about numerous different topics. And we found that answering in a formal format was a little more difficult, and I wanted to open up a channel of communication between us and our customers, people that have used our products or looking to use our products for the first time, to answer some questions, go over the different ingredients in each product, some of the misconceptions out there, and just take some of our many years of experience in the car care industry and help provide some more information for you guys to either maintain your cars better or to help you discover a new product that will be beneficial for you, or whatever else it may be. If there's a question you guys have, I would love to hear from it. So please comment and subscribe to this video series, as we'll be taking any type of question you have and I'll be answering it as best I can. So today in this video I wanted to talk about our Ceramic Car Shampoo more in depth. We've been receiving a lot of questions recently about this product, more specifically what about it that's different than a normal car shampoo, why it was created, and why it's really designed to be used on a ceramic coated vehicle. So our ceramic car shampoo was designed from the ground up to be used on a ceramic coated car. Now that doesn't mean that there's not many benefits on a non-coated vehicle. This actually will add protection, slickness, gloss, and some water beading behaviors to a non-ceramic coated vehicle, but this product was mainly designed for use to maintain a ceramic coated car. Now there are some companies out there that already have ceramic coating shampoos, which are fantastic, and they don't really have any type of protection benefits to them. They're mainly designed to be used as a cleaner, not to add any type of gloss enhancers or slickness agents, anything to the surface. We took a little bit different approach to our ceramic car shampoo. As you know, our ceramic coatings are designed to be a very long-term form of protection. Now, they're not designed to be a permanent, bulletproof layer. They're going to abrade away, they're going to start wearing over time, just like anything else. Every time you wash the car, you're driving it, you're taking it, on road trips, that coating itself is going to start abrading away, it's going to start weathering. So we thought it would be a great idea to actually add some of the same exact ceramic coating ingredients that are in your professional coating, or user coating, DIY coating itself, and add them into our ceramic car shampoo. So that every time you use this product, as it's designed to be used every time you wash your car, it actually adds a layer back to the surface. It's like shaking hands with itself, whether it's your clear coat or actually ceramic coating, and adding another layer of protection to cross-link and to bond to that coating itself, to just help add some more protection and some more performance back to the coating long term. So this product is designed to be used indefinitely. It's designed to be used every single car wash, in a bucket, in a foam cannon, foam gun. You can even use it to wash the wheels, whatever it is that you want. It's gonna perform well and add you some more protection back to the coating as it's designed. So this other second part of this, so we wanted to create a car shampoo that would add protection back to the surface. So whether it's waxed or sealed or ceramic coated, you're going to see some benefits of using this product. The other aspect we wanted to design this product with was increased slickness and increased lubricity. So obviously if you have a ceramic coated vehicle, you're not going to want to have to polish or paint correct your vehicle if it starts getting sore marks over time. The goal is to obviously perfect it, coat it, and then try to prevent any type of sore marks and damage from happening, because once that coating is on the car, any type of abrasion or polishing done to the vehicle will actually wear away that coating. So we wanted to really create a car shampoo that was ultra slick and ultra lubricity, that really would prevent some swirl marks and scratches on the surface, that you can maintain and keep your car looking awesome for many years to come, not just right after the coating has been applied. So, there are specific ingredients for the lubricity, and obviously the protection itself is in the form of SiO2 ingredients. So there's actually a misconception out there about the concentration of those SiO2 ingredients in each product. And I'll go over this further in other videos and explain the science behind it, but it's very important to understand that just because one product may have a higher SiO2 percentage does not mean that it's a better product, does not mean that it's going to give you better results. So it's very similar to like having a dietary or health food supplement, right? You spend a bunch of money on multivitamin, and studies are now finding that most of the time you're spending that money, you're making expensive urine. Your body's not going to consume it. Much like a ceramic, ingredient product, where you may have a high percentage of SiO2 ingredients, but if the carrier and delivery system, isn't really backed or provided or supplemented in the right way in the product, you're basically washing away or wiping away that SiO2 ingredient. So it's really important to know that's not the main thing you look for in each product. So, like I said, the main thing with this product is we designed it to be used on that ceramic coated vehicle or to add protection to an uncoated vehicle. And also help prevent swirl marks and really make the wash process super enjoyable. So this product, in form of its scent, its lubricity, its foaming abilities, and the shine it adds actually to the vehicle. That's one thing I think we got most with this product after we released it, is that people said after they washed their car that their paint popped. There was a noticeable difference in shine, and that is the actual SiO2 ingredients in there cross-linking and bonding to the surface, as it has an affinity for that surface layer that really gives it an extra little pop to it. So wanted to go over that with you guys. Hope you found this useful and diving into this product. If you have any questions about this product or any others out there, please feel free to leave a comment below. And we're also doing a giveaway. So this awesome brand new dry clean shirt we're going to be giving away to a new subscriber and to someone that comments on each one of these videos below. So make sure to subscribe, like, and comment below, and you're entered to win a new dry clean t-shirt. And feel free to ask any questions about our product line or anything in the car care industry. I'm going to be trying to do a video a week about this and go over each topic in depth in a very informal format, so it feels like we're just having a conversation and trying to educate you guys the best I can and hopefully give you some information that will help benefit your guys' cars, or if you're looking for a new product to give a try. So anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.